My experience at disassembly is enlightening. I always find multiple takeaways. I mean, I developed at least 3 interesting relationships and follow-up activities, if you will, and opportunities to further work with some of the attendees today on some of the issues they're dealing with, primarily around transformation and the adoption and use of cloud computing. I love the venue and I love the environment in which you're working and talking with people engaged around a table and not listening to someone provide a PowerPoint presentation for 40 or 45 minutes, because it just limits the amount of dialogue and the amount of enlightenment that you can become aware of in that process. The thing that I believe sets Millennium Alliance apart is sitting around a table, having active conversation, being able to ask questions, being able to respond to other questions. I think is a much more educational forum. It's much more informative, it's much more engaging, and I think there's more mutuality of benefit from both parties, both the presenters as well as the listeners. The Millennium Alliance team is, first of all, they're great to work with. Matter of fact, since they do so much of the work, I find that I have to do very little work other than show up. So they really are helpful, very accommodating, very helpful with all the logistics involved in, showing up at the location and then getting back to home.